Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix lane assist is currently unavailable in your Audi. So this solution will work for all of the Audi Q&A models. So if you guys have any of these models, this tutorial will work for you. So basically guys, what you need to do guys right now is just go to your navigation screen in the right side of your steering wheel. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look like this, and then make sure that you are in the main page. Once you're here, just go ahead and look for car settings, give it a click, and then here, once you're in the vehicle settings, go ahead and click on the left click. Once you do that, here you're going to find vehicle settings, driver assist, AC, servicings, and check. So go ahead and click on driver assist, and then once you do that, right here you're gonna find all of the assist options in your car. So as you can see guys, in my case I don't have the lane assist option, but if you have it, you're gonna find it right here. And basically guys, once you find it, just go ahead and uncheck it and then re-click on it again in order to restart it, and then normally it should be working after you do that. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.